Before and after. So these are the before looks of the common washroom. Breaking work was in process. Once we are doing the breaking of walls, we start with the floor. Floor breaking includes removing the entire load till the waterproofing. Then plastering base waterproofing is completed here. This is the water curing. Then after waterproofing, this is the way the plaster was done on site. Plumbing followed by ledge wall making. I have given some pockets here for the niche to be incorporated. So what you see here are several plumbing fixtures coming in, popping in, accompanied with the ledge wall. This is the final plumbing, internal plumbing I mean. Flooring work in process. Cutting of tiles. Cutting the tiles with proper care and water grouting. We have installed a composite marble door frame here. Door frame is always placed in with chamfer edges that looks really good and cool. This was a fresh flooring, so you can see the cement and slurry on that. Post cleaning, this is the look, final outcome. I will talk about this in detail in the full site tour video, explaining you each and every nuances of the bathroom. Stay tuned. Thank you.